राहुल,
हम्म?
प्यार क्या है?
प्यार प्यार
चिकन लेग पीस,
सिंपल प्यार
चिकन मसाला राइस,
ओके मिस Picanza.
Okay, Rahul. What an absolutely delightful thought. प्यार
राजमा राइस,
है. Love is
एप्पल जूस.
Hello guys, welcome to another video of Create You. Today we are going to talk about 5 best movies based on romance fantasy that would change your perception towards love and what love actually meant to be in real life too. And if you like our work, please do like and subscribe and press the bell icon so that you won't miss any updates of which we will be updating on this channel. Then let's get started. So at number 5 we will be seeing Stardust, which was released on 2007 and it has got 7.7 IMDb ratings. And when we see the plot of the film, it is based on a love story. The main character here is Tristan Thorn. He is a shop boy, a very humble, very kind and a very genuine shop boy, and he is infatuated by a girl named Victoria, and she is not really nice to him. But he ignores all of that as he loves her. And when they are out together one time, they see a falling star and she demands him to bring that star to get rid of him. So how he travels to bring that star and what problems he faces in this journey, we will got to see in this movie. If you like fairy tales or magical type of movies, this is definitely the one for you. Give it a try. It is available on Netflix. Love is not easy, but when you fall in love with the girl who is on a different planet that actually just above yours with different gravity, well, that's a kick in the balls. And that's exactly what happens to Adam in Upside Down. This movie was released on 2012 and has got 6.4 IMDb rating. Coming to the plot of the movie, Adam falls for Eden, a girl from the world of up above, and it's just going great until there's a horrible accident and he thinks she's dead. Fast forward a few years later, and he realizes that she's not. The film makes good use of the opening because it helps us to understand the weirdo science of two planets hovering over each other. One of the film's major strengths is the idea of dual gravity because it's the source of every problem, every obstacle that Adam has to fight to get back with Eden. And it also was the source have some pretty damn good cinematography. We get great shot of these upside down rooms, people on the ceiling and the people on the floor. The romantic angle of this film did impress me a little because I like the idea, but it's about a person struggling to find their lost love, and on the other side, that lost love begins to struggle to reconnect with them. Upside Down is a little like a storybook romance, but instead of magic, we have inverse matter, and it just has a thin layer of depth. But it's still fun to watch, give it a try. It is available on Amazon Prime. At number 3, we have The Notebook. This movie was released on 2004 and it has got 7.8 IMDb rating. It is an incredible love story and romantic movie. It is like a typical Bollywood movies in which one guy fell in love with a rich girl and she also fell in love with him, and when they meet each other the same thing happens in the story that happens every time in this type of movies, that is they are made separated from each other. And the same happens that every time does, they meet up together once again. And after that, what will happens in their life is the story. Give it a try. It is available on Hotstar. At number 2, we have Beauty and the Beast. And in this movie, we will be seeing our Hermione Granger, aka Emma Watson, in the lead role. This film has got 7.2 IMDb ratings out of 10 and 71% Rotten Tomatoes. This is a fantasy romantic movie, and if we talk about the plot, there will be a prince who is very arrogant, and one day a witch curses him and he turns to an animal. He requests her to free him. Instead, she gives him a rose and tells him, till the last leaf of the rose, if any girl didn't love him or fall in love with him, when he would die. Would any girl fall in love with him? Then we have to watch this movie. Movie is available in Hindi, Telugu and Tamil languages. Give it a try. It is available on Hotstar. At number 1, we have Titanic. As far as the modern romantic dramas goes, there is none more epic or more heartbreaking than Titanic. It is the third highest grossing movie in the world after Endgame and Avatar. The movie was released on 1997 and has got 7.8 IMDb ratings. It has all the elements of classic tearjerker, star-crossed lovers, a monumental disaster, and of course one of the party is going to die at the end. There are many sad moments in the second half of this movie after the ship begins to sink, ranging from the band playing their final song to the shots of the passengers accepting their fate. Of course, the real kicker is Jack's death at the end and Rose's promise to him never let go. Give it a try, it is available on Hotstar. If you like the video, please like and subscribe to our channel to get more updates. Thank you.